Lab work number 3. Implementing a full adder by using half adder only. Necessary equipment: pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, etc. Theory: using 2 half adders and 1 additional OR gate, a full adder can be created. Let x, y, and z are the 3 inputs. S1 and C1 are the sum and carry of the first half adder. Once more, S and C represent the sum and carry of the second half adder. Here, S equals S, 1, XOR Z. S equals X, XOR Y, XOR Z. Again, C equals S, 1 Z, plus C, 1 C equals X XOR Y, Z plus C1. Conclusion: thus, it is possible to implement a full adder by using half adder only.